Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Mom Ogbu Eze-Ana Ugochi to be Norifte. Mommy Mama Jugo. Yes, I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba family ebidokwazi ọrụ mgbọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu. Isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ silent and meditation. Silent and meditation. When ebe a na-achọ ịkọwalụ gị dịka onye ghọtara how things work ihe gbasara spiritual matters. Na-akọwalụ gị the power of silence. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ijegoro na Bible maka ndị ga-asị gị ole nke ọ dị n'akwụkwọ nsọ, ị ga-afụ ebe asị gị na anaghị achọ mmehie achọ n'ebe e nwere ụbara akata okwu. Silence is the key. Silence is the golden key. Ejigoro na ya wee merie ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche. Ịbụ onye na-eme meditation, silence n'ime meditation ezigbota key. Ọ ga-abụ ọ bụrụ na immature to the level you need to make use of the power of silence and meditation, you go far. And the deep spirituality you may attend to, then the man may achieve a lot in creation. Ọtụtụ ndị gbatago na spirituality, some certain things you happen in your life, you ponder it, you meditate over it, recite it inside your mind. Ka ghara ime mistake, ka ị gharakwazi ịba n'ụgwọ. Ịbụ na onye na-ekwu okwu, ihe ihe eji one of the things ihe eji wee ma onye gbagotago na spirituality bụ you talk less. You talk only when the needs arise. Because now the power of thought bụ an energy. So he reserved it. It was an hour once ever na-akọ gbasara Mary. As in na-abịa ezi ozi. She was pondering over everything inside her mind. That is the key. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe anyị na-ebe anya n'ụbọchị taa. Gee ntị ya amụta a lot. Before we dive into today's lecture, echefuna na anyị nọ na month of October. Our group ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the group. Yes. Distance abụrụ ebe ya na ọrụ mmụọ anyị na-arụ maọbụ na aja anyị na-achụ. N'isi ụtụtụ ejego Orimkpa temple chụọ aja gọọ ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile suela all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. Etu a ka anyị si eme. Yes. Ụbọchị ọbụla. Ụbọchị ikpeazụ nke ọnwa. Anyị ga-eje na mbilije pe iloma n'aha mmadụ group. Bịa na temple chụọ aja to entities of powers. Jee n'ebe nchụ aja gbuo ebiri mesara aka nwanne chụwakwa aja maka na aja karịrị ọgwụ. Yes. Ihe ọzọ ka m chọrọ ka nkọwalụ gị ị kwesịrị ịma bụ na ọ bụrụ na ịghọta how things work, ọ ga-enyere gị aka. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonyere anyị ma ọ nwere ajụjụ nwere na nkụzi a, chat me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp nọmba ị ga-eji nweta mbụ 08057837672. Ị na-anya na screen gị ga-afụkwa nọmba. Now let's dive into today's lecture. Ọ bụghị amadị long, just pay attention. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Power of silence. Great minds make use of the power of silence. Today I really want to address any seekers only, people that are really seeking for knowledge. I will tell you here without missing words that one of the key is power of silence. Even though onye na-ekwu chọọ maka na ebe a na-ekwu chọọ mmehie na-abụ ụba na ya. Maka na in order to please whoever you are doing church with, lies will enter. Ihe abụrụ eziokwu will enter. Maka na ụbọchị ikpe, ihe a ga-ekpe n'ikpe iluloga, okwu na omume ọbụla dị iche iche. Thought. So ihe a ga-judge. Word of mouth and deeds, ihe ime. So onye ọbụla chọrọ ịgbagota spiritual to spiritual level, pay attention, say a word when is necessary. In what time for frivolities? In what time we did a hang the other beer parlor? They go for cinema. Dinner back club. In what time all those things? Before the even on the joke, they buy slippers. Slippers, yes. Dinner bottle. I'm a good northern Abuja, but on Abuja, and not. Or to them, I will never had a second. Hearing up empty minds. All time you can see where go spiritual. Everyone day or 2 days because of the nature of their business. They are into entertainment. Mananda abro di gade na anya maka no ngodo ndego ha na asoro ofia oni nwere ide. Yes. Let me shock you. Some of these worthy men you are seeing. Some of them, about whatever they are contributing spiritually, charity-wise, what they are contributing towards various altars. Yes. And the ego hana soro hozo. So don't be looking at some of them. Nah, we are not want to have pastors spiritually. No. Most of them might not be always be there physically, like you. Mana, they donate mightily to those some of those various altars. Donate mightily to charity. So because of those things are donated, it will altars. It will altar that speaks for them. It will all money teacher that speak for them. So stop asking me what of these wealthy people are they having time for meditation and what have you, and silent meditation and silent moment. They might not have, not all of them might have all the time. Not that they don't have. They might not have all the time. We priests, we have. That is why most of them, they sow towards various altars. Because Hama, then will people that will be speaking for them. Then will altar that watching over them. So all you can see when they go and also. Yes. All the money, all the everywhere in all religious sects. All they buy in all spirituality. Or when they go and also. They might not be coming. I was one more in my previous lecture. Now, earthly governance will prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm and milk state. Because one of the nobody teacher, I'm going to meet tonight. Well, die when they kid I be meeting frequent. But I was so want to have you. Had me here, you want to have you. Some of them were almost so have they declare surplus. Some of them, our hand with my hand and I steady. But when we had them, they can listen okay. They have what the whole uniform for all the members. Or they are just steady. But they recognize it as a financial support member. The financier. The two are fraud in war. Some of these people here are waking up and say, these people that are not living that. No, don't judge. Some of them might not be physically present. Then when they kiss so the mountain, then when they kiss so some of the things in them. But they support na more. It counts. It counts. So ndani never think ko singing no nwere ndị ego ha ejerozi maka na ebe ọ bụ na enwere aka ji ọfọ enwere aka ji akụ ntị gịnị ka nna achịkọwa maka ya mana gị nwere onwe gị nọ na complain ọ bụrụ na ịdụrọ mma nkwa ikwesị ka ịdị mkpa nwee ike nkwakịrị gwogwo mana problem enwere n'ebe some of you na-ege m ntị bụ ịdịrị ọkụ ijiri oyi akwụkwọ liberation si na aga esi n'ọnụ wee gbupụ gị. You sit down on the fence. You are not in attack, and you are not in defense. You sit on the fence. You hope that we are not contributing meaningfully in creation. Therefore, your existence is as useless as anything can be. So, stop complaining when things are not going the way you want. You can only make a difference by embracing this power. Power of meditation and silent moments. All that, but I need just some of those temples. If we buy Gagwagi, everybody keep the signboard, noiseless zone. Some of you have seen such environment. Almost some pilgrimage sites. There were some holy places, holy temples. I say noiseless zone. For the moon, they make with Afberia, Makana, Ijebra, Macanon Jenja, Nakoni Siawa, my. And where areas now noiseless zone. For a reason, you only want noiseless zone, Buna. They were all to them Madanabia for prayers. Like me in my house, I don't like to go on a pot. Yes, I like music. Every time we keep playing music, even dance. Yes, depending on the mood. But then when time we need total silence for meditation. So go on again, Monte. Create a time for your silent moment. Very important. Some of you, why you are running into danger? Yes, is because you don't have time for meditation. All the meditation time, kaija akunyo onwe no oku. Oge ahụ iji I silence every noise. Go to obodo ndị nwere like a flower garden. You go to flower garden for meditation. Ụfọdụ ga-eje da to water side for quiet moment. All nyawa with the concept kpatara o ji abụ anyị bụ ndị ọdịnala abịa na side the river banks alụọ ihe dịka obere ụlọ. Ihe a alụrụ ebe a bụ where you can come and sit and meditate because they are within the arena of the elemental beings, the water sprites. The same thing, you will walk a flower garden in your house. Sometimes you go there in the morning or in the evening for meditation. Even in your own house, you can make your house conducive enough for silent moment or meditation. Some of you, probably some of you, each and that's only key and in creation with prayer. More chuaja. Or for the daughter, no say chuaja. Toj, golf, where more atrudia, a money, even go to mission. No. And with many keys in creation. And with the keys, it got unlocked by main meditation. Put it as a routine devotion of silent moments or silent hour. Again, really silent time, very important. It's a power of meditation. The benefit of meditation come across all world religion. All but are following them manage to develop or something like chaplet or localities. Or look at what only develop here about chaplet is about Simon Stock. Apple they sent Simon Stock. All know I develop here about chaplet. What is the essence of chaplet? I want 9 teaching and something similar to it. They may recite. And they said that reciting and a full meditation. Now I say you mean it's called for you to be meditating upon that particular mystery. You will be actually meditate here. That is the power. Across all world religious sects I have been to, the key for their spiritual growth lies in meditation. So go on again. Sometimes why you are failing is that you want to how things work, or maybe you want a good mentor. Igbo spirituality is not all about Nigeri Chukwa Chigi, Borundi Chiano, Ifo Ruziakagi. So much only you blame for your downfall. Sometimes even embracing grace that's supposed to locate you because of that sacrifice you just performed. Once they come back to you, hovering over your head, but they cannot anchor. Because the atmosphere is not conducive. Take it from me. Start making use of the power of silence and meditation. It will help you to strive to higher vibration, to the luminous height. Okay, you connect to the luminous height. Always have good volition, good longing for what is pure and noble. That is the vibrations you need to turn around many things that is happening to you. It's not when if you the chicken or we the bego or to ajan or to ajan before to see akagi. Sometimes it's not the only key you need. Begin to inculcate these my lessons, and they shall be well with you. We don't make meditation. We don't create better time for spiritual exercise. All no get to a key get water vision. Okay, to a key you no. Okay, to a key water innovations and other things you need to be made. Nandua. A general meditation and spiritual exercise. Silent moment. Yes, it's 3 in 1 thing. Silence hour, meditation, and spiritual exercise. I don't joke with it. Because that is the ladder. So stop complaining because you have not done what is expected of you. Yes, I agree. Echuaja in Mesaraka is one of the keys. My name were other things, other components. Because all the things I listed is keys in creation. The key, the door, it need to be open. It should be open with power of silence. It will not open. Because you are not putting the square peg in the square hole. Let me stop here. But what I can tell you is that man is the architect of his problem. Man has solution to his problem. But maybe you are not properly mentored. But you are not following the right person that is very knowledgeable on how things work in creation. To change around what is happening to you lies in your hands. Let me stop you. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, then ask me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672 or 0813-8243-871. Chedakwani Unkareki so Ekwalainezioku TV is a satellite television. Then let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na odi ihe siri m ike. Ke Chineke na-apụghị ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu Premier be with you all. May the Chukwu Africa bless you abundantly. May your work of your hands begin to yield fruit now and forevermore. Ya gazie, go the road.